Hi, my name is Vladimir, i4 technology expert. Have you seen it too? Looks like it's time to tell you about these devices. These are ultrasonic dog repellers. Every day, they protect many people and even save lives. Introducing DogStop Dog Repellers by i4 Technology. They won't allow dangerous animals to approach you, your child, or pet. At the same time, they're completely safe for people and could even be used by children. DogStop LED Plus is a 3-in-1 device. Powerful ultrasound, specially designed ultrasonic pattern with constantly changing frequencies, and bright strobes. The device features a powerful ultrasonic transducer that emits super strong waves that cause panic and fear in animals. Apart from that, there's a special microcontroller, which generates fluctuating frequencies with special acoustic signal. Animals won't be able to get used to the repeller or bear it for a long time. Humans practically don't hear these frequencies, whereas for dogs, they are unbearable. This method is much more effective than constant sound pressure used in other repellers. The two LEDs built into the device affect the eyes of the animals, with bright flashes causing disorientation. After the aggressive dog retreats, you can celebrate the victory by dancing to disco lights. Also, you can use it as a flashlight to light your way instead of using a smartphone. This way, you can promptly spot a dog in a dark street or a wild animal in a forest. The device is effective at a distance of up to 10 meters, though it can be used at up to 20 meters. The device uses frequencies audible to dogs, cats, wolves, bears, bats, and dolphins. You can take it with you on a camping, fishing, or hunting trip, wherever you may encounter wild animals. DogStop is a light version of DogStop LED Plus repeller. It has no blinding LEDs, and the sound pattern is simpler. However, it features the same powerful ultrasonic transducer. It's enough to scare away a dog effectively. There's a special controller built into both devices that does not allow battery charge to affect repelling power. Even if the batteries are almost discharged, the power of the ultrasound doesn't decrease, ensuring your safety. This is the battery charge indicator. Green light means full charge. Orange light implies replacing the battery soon. If you see the red light, replace the batteries ASAP. If there's no light at all, the device is fully charged. It's high time to panic. Please help! There's no orange indicator on the light version of DogStop repeller. Urgently replace the batteries once you notice red light of the indicator. It will be saving your life for some more time though. Attention! Use only alkaline or lithium batteries from well-known brands, and the device won't let you down. So, follow 4 simple steps and you won't be bitten by an angry animal. Take out the device, push the button, and make sure the indicator works properly. Point the transducer towards the dog. Try to keep a distance of 3 meters or 10 feet and don't let the dog approach closer. Press and hold the button. Hold the repeller pointed towards the dog. The device is ergonomic, and you may attach it to a belt. My device is fully charged, so I'm going to scare this dang dog away now. Want to have more information about DogStop repeller? Visit our website, www.en.i4technology.ru. Contact us via any convenient means, and we will make sure that no dog can taste you.